Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Vivo S5 is all set to make its way to the stage on 14th of this month in China, and already there are leaks and renders available of this device. An official render of the Vivo phone has popped up on the company's website in China, giving us a clear look at the Vivo S5's front panel that has a hole punch design. Additionally, specification of two unannounced Vivo smartphones have also appeared on TENAA, tipped to be the variants of Vivo S5. Although we can see the front of the phone, there is still some mystery left for the rear side of the phone. As for the TENAA listings, there are two Vivo phones with model number 1932A and 1932T with nearly identical specifications. The only difference between the two models is in the camera department, where the Vivo V1932T is tipped to pack triple rear cameras. The Vivo V1932A on the other hand is listed as packing 5 rear cameras. Is Vivo really going to launch a higher end variant of the S5 with punch hole and penta camera when there will be a standard edition with full screen display and a triple camera setup? The design of the Vivo S5 has now become more confusing than ever, but we will get into the details after a while. Now let's check out the display. The listing suggests that the Vivo S5 will come with a 6.44-inch AMOLED display that offers full HD+ resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels and aspect ratio of 20:9. To recollect, its previous model Vivo S1 has 6.38-inch display and the rest of the display specs is similar. On the hardware front, the Vivo S5 is said to be powered by Snapdragon 712 chipset. This is the same processor that runs the Vivo Z1 Pro and Vivo Z1X, which is clearly an upgrade over Vivo S1 with Helio P70 processor in China. So Vivo is doing it right this time. The S5 is expected to come with 8GB of RAM and 2 storage options, 128GB and 256GB. There is currently no confirmation on whether there is presence of SD card slot. On the camera front, there seems to be some error with the configuration of the rear cameras of the Vivo S5. The Vivo V1932A TENAA listing suggests that it has 48MP plus 8MP plus 5MP plus 2MP plus 5MP penta lens camera system on its back. On the other side, the Vivo V1932T variant has 48MP plus 8MP plus 5MP triple camera system on its back. However, both listings states that the phone has 5 cameras. Hopefully the rear images of the phone will soon appear on TENAA, through which its exact design will be revealed. But until then, subscribe to my channel for more updates on this. The phone will get the power from 4100 mAh battery with 22.5W fast charging support based on 3C certification. The Vivo S5 will run on Android 9 OS and will have an in-display fingerprint sensor. Connectivity options include VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS and USB-C port. So with that, we come to an end of this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Peace out.